Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your liftgate trim on a Honda Odyssey. We're going to start out by removing this center trim here closest to the vehicle, and to do that we're just going to take a hold of it with both hands, and you just want to squeeze it with both hands and we're going to pull back on it. And when we do that, it just pops these clips loose from the body right here. And then we just need to remove these clips that were underneath the trim on both sides. Just use a flathead screwdriver and get up underneath that middle part right here. And once this middle part pops out, you can just go ahead and pull out on it, and the clip comes right out. And then we're just going to grab a hold of these side trim pieces, and same thing, just grab hold of them with both hands and pull out on them. And same with the other side. And same thing as before, we have clips underneath right there that we need to remove. And next we need to come to the end of the tailgate here, and we need to pop out this switch right here. And to do that, we're going to use a plastic pry tool. You can use a flathead screwdriver, but you're going to risk scratching and marring up the plastic really bad. So I like to use these plastic pry tools. You can get these really inexpensive off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below where you can get these. But what we're going to do is we're going to take it and we're going to start on this side, about 3/4 of an inch from the edge. You're going to sneak it in between the switch here and the panel, and you're just going to press down and kind of wiggle it back and forth, and you'll feel it give. And then with one hand you want to keep pressure down on that, and then we're going to slide over about another inch and do the same thing. And when you do that, you pop these two clips here loose from the panel, and then we're just going to unplug it by pressing on. There's a tab right here. Just going to press on that tab and pull out on the plug, and then go around to the corner, and we're just going to get our hand up in behind this end right here, and then we're just going to pull down on it, and it just pops the clips loose. And we're just going to work our way kind of across the back and the front here, and just work our way across the side, pulling down on it, and it pops all the clips loose, and the trim comes right off. And when we're pulling this trim off, it's just popping these clips here loose from the vehicle. It's got holes that they clip into, and typically these clips will just come off with the panel and stay on the panel. Sometimes they will stay in the holes, and just want to use either your plastic pry tool or a screwdriver and pry around them to work them out, and then take them out. And then you just want to slide them back into the trim before you put it back on, and it slides into that first layer, not the second one there. So they go in like that. But yeah, typically these are fine. They don't break them. Sometimes they'll fall off the car, so you might lose them. But if you do break them or lose them, you can get replacements of these also, and I'll link to these two down below. But that's it, guys. That's how you remove your liftgate trim. Thanks for watching.